to go live, but for some reason I was shy. I don't know why, so I just decided to like film. It's not really filming. I just decided to do this. So I picked it up yesterday. I picked this up yesterday. That's the ring light, but I haven't yet put it together up till now. So I'm going to be doing that now. Like, this is me putting it together for the first time. Now this is the tripod stroke selfie stick thingy. Like, when I asked for like ring light and tripod suggestions, I got a lot of feedback, and thank you guys for that. But the problem was that at that point in time, most of them were sold out. So like, I messaged like 3 pages, and all of them at that point in time, they were like, we're sold out, we're sold out. So I just decided to check online, and then I came across this that could serve as a selfie. Wait, let me not spoil it. Okay, so it could serve as a selfie stick, and it could also serve as a tripod stand. See, tripod stand selfie stick, and it has this Bluetooth remote. So yeah, and it's quite long actually. It's up to, so if you put it down, see, like, see where it's reaching. You can't even see the top end. It's standing on the ground. So this is it. And then if like you want it to be, maybe, I don't know, maybe you're standing far or something, you could use a stool, so it just, you know, gets longer. But I actually really like this, and I'm glad I got it. Now it has this I'm just going to let it stand for the purpose of what I'm doing. So it has this, should I say detachable? I don't know why this morning I woke up and all the English left my brain. Anyway, okay, I didn't show you guys. This is the only thing I don't like about this is that you can't really rotate this. Like, you can only put your phone in a landscape position. You can't put your phone portrait wise, but not to worry. This thing in the ring light, this phone holder that comes with the ring light, can be rotated anyway. Why am I jumping? We'll get to that. So yeah, this is, you know, how you put your phone or your camera. And because I'm going to be using this with my phone sometimes, but mostly I'm going to be attaching my ring light. This is the ring light. It is about 16 centimeters. Yeah, so this is, covers my whole head. This is it. These are the wires. I don't even know what this is for, but I shall find out. I don't know, where do you connect this? Okay, this is to charge it. I think this is to probably increase the brightness. I don't know what this is for. This is to switch it on or off, obviously. This is to maybe decrease the brightness. This is where you put your, exactly. So if I want my phone landscape wise, I'm going to turn it like this. Then if I want my phone portrait wise, I'm going to hold it like, I'm going to turn it like this. So you put this here. Ta-da! And it comes out. So I really like this. And then it also came with this too. So this, well, okay, no wait, I know that this one is, but that means it rotates. Okay, so this rotates. There's like a ball thingy here. I don't know if, I don't want to kind of spoil it because I don't really know if it actually rotates. I'm just the one that's turning it anyhow. Anyway, this is for the okay. Wait, now this one I'm going to put this on what? Just wait. Now let me I'm going to remove this phone holder kini that comes with this one. And now to remove this one, you just simply unscrew it like this. And then you bring it out. See? Easy. Now this uncle here, this one is for this one. This uncle here, what am I supposed to do about you? So like, I know this one is detachable. This one, I don't even know. Like, what's the purpose of this one? Like, where is it going to go? That's my problem. Because now that's the major problem. I think this is for this. Okay, wait. It feels like it's this whole thing that I'm supposed to remove, but this is not removable. Is it? It's not. Now this, like, I actually have no idea where that is going to. Wondrous. Oh, what about this? No. See, I'm just trying different things at this point in time because I don't know what's going on here. Is that all it came with? That's actually all. That's actually all it came with. So I think it's important to start with the bases first. God help us. This is supposed to stay here. I know that. So I'm just trying to get it to be secure. And it seems like I'm doing rubbish. I need to call my brother. I forgot. You guys. So this has, oh god, like my chest was in zoom zoom. This tripod kini came with this extra thing, so I'm supposed to put this like this. God, it's a day. I knew that. My brain. What? Then I'm gonna screw this on here. Can you see the way everything is just piecing together? Yeah, but I haven't yet screwed it. I put this on top. I'm going to secure it to this part. My chest was in bing 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 bing. Like, what's going on here? This is not the process I expected. I expected everything to be going swish swash easily, and then something was happening. I think I should make this a YouTube video. Like, I didn't plan for it to be a YouTube video, obviously, because I mean, I wanted to go live, but thank God I didn't even go live, because you people would have worsened the situation. Because like, I'll be getting so many comments saying, you've ordered fake or something. You know how people can be online. Anyway, where did this one come from? Today we started again. This one is for here. This is for this position. Now I don't know, it's supposed to come up, or like, I think it should be this way. I'm not really certain, but obviously my common sense is telling me that it's supposed to be this way. But then, oh, it's on day. But like, why is it shaking? I think this is the one that will secure it. God save us. This is what go. So is this what you people used to do every time to assemble ring lights? Wonderful. Okay, yeah, so God, guys, now I'm using my phone to record this because I can't really use, oh God, that means we have to change position. But like, this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is what it looks like. But I don't want it to fall, so why do I feel like it's not secure enough? Okay, it's me. I didn't tighten it to the capacity, to the maximum capacity. Now it is tight. I think it's too tight too. Okay, wait. No, wait. I need this to like get to the bottom. And it's at the bottom, and I'm now tightening. Wait, what's going on? Exactly, like I said, you can rotate this because of the ball thingy that is there. But I don't want to over rotate it before I go and spoil it. You know everything now, because it's just fresh out of the carton. It's gonna be a jeje or something. And then, why is it what's it called? Why is it coming down? Like, see, okay, it's not coming down actually. It's the way I left it. So, okay, sorry, wait for it. Yeah. And so okay, now I need to connect this. I don't have, wait, let me try and get a switch. My switch, my socket is foul. What are we gonna do? You guys, I'm gonna play a dangerous game. I don't know, can you charge it with your power bank? Hey. Oh, yeah. Cause like my socket is far away from where I am right now. So what just happened? My power bank did not bring light again now. Okay. I thought I had drained all the life out of my power bank. Anyway, this light came on, so I'm just going to, oh, come on, look at, oh God. Can you what? Hey, You guys are in soup. You're in you're in danger. Oh, let's go. Now let me press. Oh, okay. Position it well. That's very important. I think I still haven't gotten like the main key of how to keep it straight. I'm going to just raise it up a little bit. Ha! Come on, come on. I'm going to press this. I'm going to press this shuffle thingy. This is the warm light that you people use to form. Can you see the glow up and down? You people will put your whole face in this light and then be forming glow, whatever. Anyway, oh, come on. Can you see? Oh, God, is it? This is the warm. Ha! It gets warmer. Why didn't I? It gets warmer. Oh, finish me. Okay, we're back to normal. Now it's back to white. Hey, I love this. I actually really love this. Okay, now the plus is to probably increase it, but I can't really see. Okay, the minus, that's to decrease the light. That one actually really worked because it became skinny. But this brightness on, I can't really notice any significant difference. It's actually getting brighter, but you get like, can you see? Okay, see. Oh no, let's use the warm. So this one, I'm going to raise this tripod up a little bit. Okay, this place isn't secure because I have like a floor rug on this spot, so it kind of isn't giving it the much needed balance that my tripod needs. However, it's doing the job anyway. So this is a warm. You took my face so you guys can see what I mean. This is the warmest. Now I'm going to increase. No, sorry, it's at its highest. I'm going to decrease. You can see now. Increase. Ho! Ho! Ha! Thank you guys for watching this video, because along the line I decided to make it a YouTube video. It wasn't supposed to be one, but that's what it is. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Please, I'm telling you now that if you haven't subscribed, can you see this? You can see this and this and this. You'll be missing out on content. Bye guys. Where's the remote to off this one? Yeah.